gonna go and instead of just spend an hour on the Facebook, we're gonna go and pick up the Constitution and read the Constitution.
Start reading it, exactly.
Read the
On a
Constitution.
Saturday night.
Man, hey, I'm telling you, if you could scroll your Constitution up, some people might. It's like, just read the Constitution. and
Listen,
scrolling
we've
up
got
it.
about 10 minutes, about 10, 15 minutes. Let's talk about quickly this the voting system that you had online, democracy online, was it?
Yeah, actually, this is I just mentioned before. We have a political party called Online Direct Democracy. I was actually a candidate for the seat of Barton in the previous elections. Basically, like I said before, the word democracy means people power, and what we just founded this party, basically, which is called Online Direct Democracy, and the whole idea is that basically the people of Australia will have a say by voting online on every decision that it's taken in Canberra, in the Parliament.
In Parliament.
So the politicians, in other words, they have no power. They're just there basically they still represent us, but they have no power to vote. So, for example, I'll just give you one example. When we actually created also a platform that people can vote. We call it the Polyweb. And I give you an example. We just put a question to the people, for example, if people wanted to close down the car manufacturing, because we closed down basically three
major ones. Was it Ford?
It was, Ford, Holden, and Toyota.
Yeah.
And, when we actually investigated, because, in a true democracy, you have to have both sides of the story. Why do we close it down, and what's the benefit? So we had basically both sides of the story. And the politicians basically were saying we're closing down because it's costing us a lot of money. Now, when we explain to people that actually that a lot of money that they're talking about, when we worked it out, it was $18 per year per taxpayer. $18. That's what it was costing us. So when we put the question to the people and say, hey guys, for $18, do you want to close it down, or do you want to keep it so we can have 200,000 jobs?
Yeah.
Plus, we can still make our beautiful 3 Australian-made cars.
Exactly.
And guess what? I think that it was 96% or 97% that people said, no, we want to keep our car manufacturing here in Australia.